Hello, people. Hello, experts. Hi.
Hi.
So finally, we've reached that stage of the Aussie tour, which we've become very comfortable with. I mean, ODIs seemed, a bit of an aberration. We are back to T20s, and I've got a panel of four experts. Hello, people. How are you
Hi.
all
Yes.
doing?
All good?
All right.
Changa.
So
Sab changa si.
I hope you're all looking forward to T20s now that the one day series is over and we've lost badly. India's lost badly.
We won the last match.
We
We
won the
won the
last.
last match.
Yeah. That was. I mean, until Bumrah cleaned up Maxwell, we were losing that one also. So thanks to Bumrah. And
Until Shardul Thakur was in the team.
Shardul Thakur was in the team. Abhishek was rooting for him. Abhishek has been rooting for him for some time. So yeah,
And what a performance by Hardik Pandya, right? He played until 90s. Yeah, come on. A number six batsman coming in and taking the innings so deep until those many runs. That's also a very big positive.
indeed. Without him,
Manjrekar
So much
eating
for
his
not
words.
liking him.
Manjrekar is eating his words.
yeah. So you know the story about eating his words, right?
No, but I don't think we have the time to hear
No,
that.
let me push this in. Sorry, Kriti. I know you have to go. Just very quickly. So 1983 World Cup, 1983 World Cup, a British journalist said, I will eat my words if India wins the World Cup. India won the World Cup. The paper on which he had written that, he put that in a pulp, smashed it into a pulp, put it into his wine and drank it up. Ate his words. That's the story.
Nice.
Okay.
I like it.
ठीक है. So start करें guys. Let's start without wasting any further time. Where are my questions? I have lost my questions. No, there they are. Yeah, okay. Mustafa, I'll start with you because you were the last to join us. So I'll start with you.
That's your punishment.
Okay, first power play. So how many runs will the first power play yield? Up to 40, 40 to 45, 46 to 50, or 50 plus? What do you think?
I think looking at the trend in T20, if you can sustain a run rate of 8 runs per over until 50 overs, definitely something similar happen in T20. I don't think it's going to be any different. I think it's going to be high scoring matches. So I'm going to root for. Okay, wait, let me just go through. I think 46 to 50.
That's very narrow. All right. Okay. Let's ask Anuradha. What does she think? Anuradha.
Okay.
Yeah. The question is for you. Yeah.
I know. I'm still thinking 50 plus.
Okay. You're going aggressive.
Okay, I want to change my answer. I think it's
What is this? Anuradha's
50 is too less, yeah. Like that range is
Eta
like
ho
might
bina,
as
eta
well
ho
be 50 plus.
bina.
Come on, guys. International class bowlers on both sides. I mean, let's not forget that. Okay. Let's ask Kriti. Kriti, what do you think? Are you going to differ from these experts? Are you going to say less than 40?
I am going to say 40 to 45. So
Oh.
your options are used.
At least some options are used. I mean, I can't be complaining. Let's ask Abhishek. Abhishek.
I think I'll go with 50 plus. It being the score power play. I think any team batting.
Look, some strange things are happening in Canberra. We expected 370 plus. We got only 302. That also.
You are forgetting my prediction.
Yeah, no, I
That was only because India was batting first now.
But hey,
India
Australia
didn't
didn't
bat
get.
first, so it would have been a different story.
You know what Ayaz Memon tweeted after the match? I mean, one area where we beat Australia is we got a 300 in every match. Australia did not. Right?
Well, let as many positives possible.
Yeah, some positives. Okay, Kriti. Next question. I'll start with you. Let's talk about sixers. India's got some big six hitters. So who will hit most sixes for India in this first match? Will it be KL Rahul, Hardik Pandya, or Ravindra Jadeja?
So अनुराधा तैयार हो जाइए आज मैं आपको खुश करने वाली हूँ. I am going to go with KL Rahul.
Why do people think I am so okay?
So I think all
Because you said so last time. You said so during IPL.
all the way from
He's been
IPL.
saying that
in
for
multiple
the
videos.
From
You
IPL,
are
your
on
choices have been
record.
KL Rahul always.
Okay, I got the point.
Yeah, I think anytime KL Rahul comes up, Anuradha is what we'll remember. Anuradha.
Anuradha is like,
Who
Ah,
KL Rahul?
yes, sir.
Okay. Mustafa?
It's a matter of sixes, and we're talking about 2020. So I'm gonna go with
So
Hardik
he's gonna
Pandya.
say HP. Huh?
Hardik Pandya, huh?
Hardik Pandya.
He's gonna say
You know
HP.
that the last match, Ravindra Jadeja out hit Hardik Pandya, right?
Yeah, definitely. I saw that's the thing now. Like Hardik Pandya is now becoming a seasonal ODI player. But if you would have noticed in the last 5 overs, Pandya was out of breath and out of power to hit the shots. I could see that he was purposely giving the strike to Jadeja because I felt like he was out of the energy to hit the long ones. And he had known that. That's why he wasn't playing riskier shots because he's understood that ke abhi nahi jayega out of the boundary. So it was a smart thing to do because if he would have gotten out, we might not have even got to that score. They took the doubles, they took the boundaries, and then they eventually reached the score they did. But in T20, that's not the case. In 20 overs, he has all the energy from first over till the last over to hit sixes.
Well,
So I'm going to go with Pandya.
Virat Kohli surely will be hoping that. Abhishek, I don't know if you're disappointed that Virat Kohli is not on the list.
No, but I'm just thinking, looking at KL Rahul in the option, I hope he opens tomorrow with
Yeah.
Shubman Gill.
Exactly.
With Shubman Gill, and then my toss up is between Rahul and Pandya. I'll pick Hardik Pandya for tomorrow. The momentum at which he's, and most likely he will get that last 5-6 overs, that freedom. My pick is Hardik Pandya.
Okay, we've got a new expert joining us. Abhishek Bose. Hi, Abhishek. I think his audio is still connecting. Hey, Abhishek. Hi. We were on to the second question, and because you joined us late, I'll ask the second question without any warning straight to you. So, second question was, who will hit more sixes for India? KL Rahul, Hardik Pandya, or Ravindra Jadeja? Who are you picking?
My answer is Hardik Pandya,
Oh.
with no doubt.
No doubt. My God. Okay. Abhishek, the third question.
Yeah.
I'll start with you very, very quickly. Oh, I got two Abhishek, sorry. So I'll start the third question with you, Abhishek Das, or Abhishek from Bangalore. So which all-rounder will do the double of 20 plus runs at a strike rate of 150 and go for under 7.5 economy rate or take a wicket in minimum 2 overs? You've got three options: Glenn Maxwell, Moses Enriquez, and Ravindra Jadeja. Who are you picking?
Interesting. My pick is Moses Enriquez.
A very interesting pick, I must say. And my options are, I think, going to be exhausted, going to be used. Okay, Kriti, which option are you taking?
Anti-national है ये.
कौन? ये
Jokes
अभिषेक.
aside. हाँ, बिल्कुल एकदम सरासर.
हाँ, सड़ा
Very
सा
bad.
Question ही
But,
anti-national है ना?
option.
हाँ. But I'm still going to go with Ravindra Jadeja.
Okay. All right. Got you. Anuradha.
Maxwell.
Okay. We've got some Maxwell fans in the house. Let's ask Abhishek Bose. Abhishek.
Yeah, Maxwell.
Oh God. All right. That's quick. This is a quick
I
round.
just realized there is a rhyme there. Maxwell as well.
Maxwell as well. Me too, Maxwell. Yeah.
God, nahi.
Yeah, I'm going to go with
Analyst.
Maxwell as well.
Maxwell as
Oh,
well.
no.
It's just the kind of form he is in, and plus we know that he's going to bowl at least a couple of overs, and he can be economical. I'm not sure about but I think the batting will outdo the bowling. So in any which way, I think in terms of impact, Maxwell.
Okay. I mean, and Abhishek Das has suddenly signaled his team of choice. Don't worry, Abhishek. We're not asking you that question today. We already got your response in any case.
I'm national.
Yeah. Oh, that was a retort. Wasn't that a retort? Oh God. All right. Okay. That was a good one. Quick one, Abhishek. Okay. Let me start the fourth question with you, Mustafa. So, which Aussie batter will get a half century? You've got Aaron Finch, the in-form Steve Smith, the in-form Glenn Maxwell. He too has been in great form, or Alex Carey. What do you think?
Let me start by saying I hope none of them get it, but I know one of them is going to. I am going to go with Aaron Finch.
Oh God, yeah. I think that is the option even I'll want, because at least he'll not do the same damage that Steve Smith does. Right?
Steve Smith, yeah. So I want Steve Smith to get out, and I think Finch will at least anchor the innings for some time.
Okay, so you want him to score a slow 50. Let's
Yeah,
ask.
let's hope that.
Yeah, let's go the reverse order this time. Let's ask Abhishek Bose. Abhishek, what do you think?
I will go with Steven Smith. Actually, the way he's working out, and there is a definitely bit of confusion with Finch also, because he is scoring a big score. But anyhow, I want to go with Smith.
Okay, all right. Let's hope he doesn't for India's sake, but he may. Anuradha.
Steve Smith.
Oh God. Why is Kriti now not putting up that plank which says, okay, anyway. Kriti, let me ask you, who are you picking?
I am going to pick Aaron Finch, because I completely agree with Mustafa. He should get a slow
half century.
Slow 50.
Exactly. धीरे धीरे एकदम धीमे धीमे.
Ole, ole. Okay.
अब ये क्वेश्चन का जवाब तो देना ही था ना. अब ऐसा तो नहीं कह सकते तो स्वप्नल से कि स्वप्नल none of
I
them.
pass.
हाँ वही तो. हाँ ऐसे तो हो नहीं पाएगा ना.
Okay. This was an anti-national question to begin with. That's what you're saying. Okay. Abhishek Das.
Yep. I think I'll go with Steve Smith. I'll probably he will play that sheet anchor role tomorrow. So most likely he'll get a half century. Is that what I feel?
His T20 form isn't great. You know that. I mean, both Steve Smith and Maxwell, not great T20 form, but they're great one-day form, of course.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Fifth question then, people. I will start with you, Anuradha. Let's talk about bowlers now. Which bowler will take the most number of wickets? You've got four options: Jasprit Bumrah, Josh Hazlewood, Adam Zampa, and Deepak Chahar.
This is very difficult. Eh?
I asked only difficult questions.
Didn't you say you asked boring questions?
Boring was difficult. Difficult is boring.
DC. Only because I don't want to pick Australia.
Is it D or is it C?
DC.
Which option? D? Option C.
Oh God, Swapna Manish, Deepak Chahar.
Okay, so say it. Okay. All right. Let's ask Abhishek. Abhishek Bose.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who are you?
I will go with Indian bowler. So Jasprit Bumrah.
Jasprit Bumrah. Yes, he's getting back into form. I just suspect I know what Mustafa is going to tell us. Mustafa, who are you picking?
I'm going to go with Deepak Chahar.
Oh, you disappointed me. I thought.
Yeah, I know. I was going to go for Bumrah.
I know.
I think he did come back in form, but again, with Bumrah and just 4 overs, what they will do is play him off. But Chahar is going to be the one who surprises, because the way he swings the ball on the Dubai pitches, imagine on Australian pitches what he can do with that first 2 overs. That
Right.
first 2 overs that he will bowl, he should get wickets in that. He is going to be the one who will get the starting openers out, according to me. And definitely, I think he can swing the ball both the ways, and I think he should be the one getting the upfront wickets.
All right.
They will defend Bumrah. They'll go to hit Chahar, and eventually
They'll
Chahar
get
will be
out.
the one taking the wicket.
Okay. Abhishek Das.
I so wish Chahal was in the list because of his T20.
Will he play? I'm just thinking that maybe
He
Kuldeep
will.
Yadav-
I mean, look at his T20 record.
No, of course.
He'll play. But my pick among the 4 is Deepak Chahar.
Okay. Kriti, I don't think I asked you this question, so why don't I come to you?
No, you did not. And my pick is Bumrah.
Yay, boom, boom. No Aussie bowlers, huh? You guys think that the Aussie bowlers will pick less wickets in their own pitches? I mean, that's surprising. No Adam Zampa.
You're not getting the sentiment right now.
Okay,
National.
okay. Okay, so Senti wala question, jo last ka question hota tha, I've removed.
वो आपने change कर दिया.
Question 6, Kriti, will start with you. This is a difficult question, and you are the one who takes on difficult ones first, head on. So, which team will score the most number of runs in either the last 4 overs or first 6 overs of their innings?
ये क्या मतलब है?
ऐसा कारनामा करने में
फर्स्ट 6 को ऐड करना है और मतलब I
Solve
can't
it.
even understand.
comprehend नहीं कर पा रहे आप. So sorry. So the question is, first 6 over में जितने बनाएंगे, you take that. You also look at the last 4 overs.
Correct.
जिसमें ज्यादा बनाए.
चार स्कोर्स में कौन सा स्कोर हाईएस्ट होगा?
Exactly.
मतलब कि कौन सी टीम बनाएगी, समझ गए?
Exactly.
क्या सवाल बनाया कृति?
Thank you. India और Australia?
ऐसे कारनामे करने में वैसे हम इंडिया वाले काफी एक्सपर्ट हैं.
course,
इन जनरल
हम लोग यही कारनामे ही करते हैं. फील्ड पे कुछ नहीं करते, हम लोग ये डेस्कटॉप पे करते हैं.
Exactly. Just look at, वैसे normally कितना लंबा चलता है. Today you had the deadline of 8:30 and oh my god, 8:28 पे आखिरी सवाल सफा चेक.
बस देखिए.
My pick is India.
Your pick is Australia. Did I hear?
India. No. Don't go by the choice of the color of my bottle.
Okay. Well, I didn't ask you whether you are an RCB fan, which I know you are anyway.
I am.
Okay. What is that? I don't know. Anuradha, is that?
It's blue. It's blue.
Blue for India?
Yes.
Okay. But
blue.
That's not the shade they're wearing this time, but you're saying India. Okay. Let's ask the one who's wearing the Aussie shade, Abhishek Bose. Abhishek, what do you think?
I will go with Australia.
Oh yes, I knew that. I knew by the color of your T-shirt. Okay, and why do you think?
Not go with it. But I know that Australia will score because it's his home ground. So definitely they know how to tackle the situation. So somehow they are better than India in these all slots. What the twisted you are giving up. So Australia it will be.
Okay, let's ask our analyst in the panel, Mustafa.
Yeah, I know. So the question is obviously it's been made to confuse the analysts. But I think, see, for me, in the first 6 overs, if you see, Australia is always more aggressive. And in the last 4 overs, India is the one who's more aggressive.
That's why the question, you can pick
Right.
any of them.
But the question is somehow unfair because you have 6 overs to start with and only 4 overs at the bottom. Why can't it be the first 6 overs or the last 6 overs?
No, because
the number of balls are reducing, so
the number
that
of
will
runs
obviously
generally
proportionally reduce the number of runs too.
But if you look at IPL, generally the number of runs scored in the last 4 overs are much more than the number of runs scored in the first 6 overs. And that's why this question. I mean, what do you think? Which of the 4 phases of the game will see the most number of runs scored? And the reason also why, because the last 4 overs of the team batting second is completely dictated by the score, right? So if they've already scored a lot of runs, they'll not score a lot of runs in the last 4. So that's why.
When you have to explain questions like this, Dr. Manish.
So see, I think there's just too many possibilities in this question. I'll just go with India because that's the team I'm supporting. I hope either the last 4 overs or the first 6 overs, they come out guns blazing and they hit the most amount of runs.
Okay, let's ask. So, I mean, the only person who's blatantly an India expert in this panel is Abhishek Das. So, Abhishek.
With India as well.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So great. I mean, I had great fun. People.
Hey, I didn't answer the question. What is wrong?
Well, you put up your color. And
that's because I'm supporting Team India, but I did not answer the question.
Okay. I didn't. All right. Okay. I thought you said India.
Australia. The answer to this question is Australia.
That's blasphemy. All right.
Oh! धोखा!
India color उठा के आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया बोल रही हैं?
I'm supporting Team India, but for this particular question, अरे गेम में मजा कैसे आएगा?
Yeah. Game में मजा.
The other side doesn't play well.
I think
lopsided matches.
Kriti, I'm gonna.
तो 3 बच्चों की रेस में थर्ड आने का क्या फायदा?
Kriti, I'm gonna adopt this hashtag. Okay. Game में मजा कैसे आएगा? I think this is gonna be the game में मजा कैसे आएगा?
You are such a boomer. You can't have such long hair.
I'm a boomer. Yeah, I'm not a Gen Z. Like
why not? Why can't we have such a long hashtag? I'm using as in I sometimes use a little bit long hashtag.
Yeah. Let's shorten it.
Actually, game में मजा कैसे आएगा? वो छोटा कर देते हैं ना. मजा कैसे आएगा?
मजा कैसे आएगा? Exactly. Yeah. Good one. That's
okay.
That's fabulous.
I have to go. Bye.
I know
people.
all of you have to go. It was great fun, people. Thank you so much. This was short and sweet, but we'll do a more analytical one the next time. Bye-bye.
Mustafa will get more chance to speak.
Next one. Bye bye.
Bye, guys. Play on Play CKC. It's better than fantasy. Bye.